most exciting installment yet because of what took place right behind me. Really excited to show you the changes over the last 3 weeks. But again, you're gonna love this. Let's check it out. So, as you can see behind me, the Jerusalem wall has started to take shape. Again, the idea was to mirror the beautiful Jerusalem wall of blessings that's already inside our synagogue and to echo that motif out here in the lobby. Really excited to see how this is coming together. It looks great. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Many of you might remember the cabinet that we used to have here that would hold cedar ream and tali tote. Really excited to upgrade that cabinet. Brand new one coming in here, and again, it'll be completely surrounded by this beautiful Jerusalem stone that just came in the other day. So excited it made off the boat into our campus. It's gonna be great. So here we are on the other side of the wall. Similar to the inside, this face will also be covered with Jerusalem stone. And here is all of the beautiful Jerusalem stone that is from the Holy Land. We're really excited to have it, and it is stunning stone. I mentioned in a previous video that the height of this wall that you see behind me is not going to be the final height that you see from Camelback looking at our facility. I don't know if you can be able to see this, but there's a blue chalk line that runs this length. That gives you an idea of actually where the berm is going to come to. So again, you can see me, and here's the chalk line. So it won't be as imposing from the street, but it'll still offer the protection that we're looking for. The Isidore and Penny Myers campus sign has been refurbished, and we're just waiting for it to come back. Place it right here on the wall. Everyone will be able to know where they are and who we are. This week, I want to thank you, all of our members. We just had our annual meeting last week. It was a great meeting, and this year has had its challenges, but with your support, we were able to do all of this. And without your support, we wouldn't have. So thank you very much. As a special bonus, I invite all of you to stay after Construction Corner number 10 to see our year in review video. There are great shots of our members, our clergy, our staff, and you'll be able to see everyone you know. Wishing all of you continued health. Look forward to seeing you again soon.
A statewide order for people to stay at home.
We must enact an immediate stay-at-home order
today
for the state of Illinois.
Stay home, stay safe executive order for all Michiganders. And it goes into effect.
Rabbi Gersh, Cantor Grant here. In this unprecedented situation, we are planning to join together for Shabbat online tonight, 6 o'clock. Join us a few minutes before to get situated. We'll be here in the chapel, just the two of us, and we'll pray some of the Shabbat services and light the candles and share together in Shabbat rest and Shabbat joy.
Dancing all around, round go the groggers, rush, rush, rush. Round go the groggers, rush, rush, rush. Round go the groggers, rush, rush, rush. On Purim Day.
It's so annoying. I didn't.
Good evening and happy Hanukkah. I'm so glad you can join me and my family for the 5th night. I am so good, come on!
Thank God for editing.
Hi, Mark Gulner, Executive Director. Hope this finds you and your family well and healthy. This is my first construction corner. I'm excited to present to you. Most recently, we've started our work here at the front end, so I want to give all our members a sneak peek as to what's going on. Follow me.
Great to see everyone. And here's the surprise for people who are here. Because we're socially distanced, because we're 97% vaccinated in this group, and because you've just done the schmoozing bit with each other, we are going to request that if you feel comfortable, for the remainder of the service, you can take your masks off.
Wow!
With the caveat that if you need to get up to go to the restroom or do anything else that involves leaving your little circle of privacy here, that you put your mask back on, okay?
Now, I will tell you something, Rabbi, that I just noticed. Our esteemed check-in with the docs doc, Dr. Jim Weiss, was the first one to rip that mask off. So I think it means it's okay.
Wishing everyone a healthy and happy day. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay sane. Bye for now.